Hola, bienvenidos nuevamente a todos a mi canal Spanish Blueprints. My name is Joshua. In this video, we're going to be doing a very fun pronunciation exercise, and that is los trabalenguas. In English, tongue twisters. So as the name suggests, tongue twisters are basically phrases that have a lot of difficult words combined together that are designed to get you tripped up and to get your tongue tied. Funny enough, I already get tongue-tied just by saying simple phrases in Spanish. So we'll see how this goes. Let me know in the comment section below which trabalengua was the most difficult for you to pronounce. Practicing los trabalenguas are actually very beneficial for you because you're actually going to be able to get over that tongue-tied phase. So the goal would be to get your tongue untied. So the more that you practice repeating these trabalenguas over and over again, the easier that it's going to get and the closer that you're going to be able to get to finishing it without making any mistakes. But then the next level of these trabalenguas is trying to say it as fast as you can. So this is really going to develop your Spanish speaking fluency, and then also it mimics already what happens when you're having a conversation because you're going to be exposed to new words and new phrases that are going to be challenging to you until you have it solidified in your brain and know exactly how it sounds, know exactly how it should flow, but also being able to hear it and comprehend it from a Spanish speaker as well. Okay, vamos con el primero. Tres tristes tigres comen trigo en un trigal, tanto trigo tragan que los tres tigres dragones con el trigo se atragantan. Now let's see how fast I can do it. I've seen this trabalengua before, but it's been a while. I'm a little rusty. Let's see what I can do. Tres tristes tigres comen trigo en un trigal, tanto trigo tragan que los tres tigres dragones en el trigo se atragantan. I can't, that last word is kind of difficult. Se atragantan. Tres tristes tigres comen trigo en un trigal, tanto trigo tragan que los tres tigres dragones en el trigo se atragantan. Vamos con el siguiente. R con R guitarra, R con R carril, rápido ruedan los carros, rápido el ferrocarril. So, how did you on that one? I like this one a lot because you have to use la doble R a lot. So let's see what I can do. R con R guitarra, R con R carril, rápido ruedan los carros, rápido el ferrocarril. That's a lot of fun. Let me go a little faster this time. R con R guitarra, R con R carril, rápido ruedan los carros, rápido el ferrocarril. I was really good. Número 3. Pepe pela patatas para una tortilla y para la ensalada. Pepe pela que pela, pela que pela y se empapa. That one didn't seem too bad. All right, let's see what I got. Pepe pela patatas para una tortilla y para la ensalada. Pepe pela que pela, pela que pela se empapa. All right, let me do that over again. Pepe pela patatas para una tortilla y para la ensalada. Pepe pela que pela y se empapa. Whew. That one's like, this gives me a little lightheaded. This is really where you have to focus on each word in the pronunciation so you get the whole phrase right. Let me try it one more time. Pepe pela patatas para una tortilla y para la ensalada. Pepe pela que pela y se empapa. Whew. Okay. Número 4. Me han dicho que he dicho un dicho y ese dicho no lo he dicho yo, porque si lo hubiera dicho, estaría muy bien dicho por haberlo dicho yo. I like this one a lot. This one's really funny. Okay. Using a lot of dichos here from el verbo decir. All right, here we go. Me han dicho que he dicho un dicho y ese dicho no lo he dicho y porque si lo hubiera dicho, estaría muy bien dicho por haberlo dicho yo. Let's go a little bit faster this time. Me han dicho que he dicho un dicho y ese dicho no le he dicho yo porque si lo hubiera dicho estaría muy bien dicho por haberlo dicho yo. Thankfully, it just repeats dicho the whole time, and that I can actually pronounce fine for the most part. But I still mess up quite a bit. Al final, número 5. Si Sansón no sazona su salsa con sal, le sale sosa su salsa a Sansón si la sazona sin sal. I don't know how you did, but I'm pretty nervous for this one. All right, let's try it out. Voy a intentar. Si Sansón... I already messed up. All right, here we go. Otra vez. Si Sansón no sazona su salsa con sal, le sale sosa, le sale sosa su salsa a sazón si la sazona sin sal. All right, this one's like kind of brand new to me because of the word sazón. I don't know what that means. Here we go, one more time. Si sazón no sazona su salsa con sal, le sale sosa su salsa a sazón si la sazona sin sal. Let's try un poco más rápido, si puedo. Si sazón... oh man, it's difficult. Okay, si sazón no sazona... I'm just mixing up the letters now. Si sazón no sazona su salsa con sal, le sale sosa su salsa a sazón si la sazona sin sal. Whew, man, that's really difficult. I really hope that you enjoyed this Spanish pronunciation exercise and that it's going to really help you develop your Spanish fluency. Muchas gracias por ver este video y nos vemos en el próximo.